नमस्ते जी, द हिंदी विद रीनू चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। सो वी वर डूइंग दिस सीरीज वेयर वी आर डिस्कसिंग ऑल द हिंदी वर्ड्स एंड अर्लियर वी डिड a sound words, the words that start with a sound. Now we are doing a sound words. In Hindi, I try to take all the words that start with a sound. So let's start. शुरू करते हैं. So this is the Hindi vowel a and let's see the words. अंग्रेज, sometimes we say अंग्रेज, z sound, or although we can say अंग्रेज as well. So English person is called अंग्रेज, अंग्रेज. Then अंतर, अंतर, अंतर is difference. What is the difference? क्या अंतर है? क्या अंतर है? Then अंदर, inside, within, we call अंदर. I am inside the room. मैं कमरे के अंदर हूं. अंधेरा, अंधेरा is dark or darkness. अंधेरा. What is the opposite of this word in Hindi? Do you know? You can write me in comment box. Then अकेला or अकेले, that means alone. So आप अकेले हैं? Are you alone at home? Then अकेलापन, loneliness, अकेलापन, loneliness. अक्सर, often, usually. अक्सर मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ. अखबार, न्यूज़पेपर, अखबार, न्यूज़पेपर. We also call other word in Hindi. Can you write me in the comment box what is the other word for newspaper? Agar, agar means if, agar means if. And August, the month August, we say in Hindi August, August. So all the English month name, we have different pronunciation in Hindi. So August is August. Can you tell me about October or any month? How do we say in Hindi? Then achanak, suddenly, unexpectedly means achanak. Suddenly I saw a ghost. अचानक मैंने भूत देखा. Then good. Oh, good means अच्छा. So again one word that start with a, अच्छा. And this word in general is just अच्छा, but it denotes masculine and feminine as well as अच्छा, अच्छी. Then ajnabi, ajnabi, stranger. Stranger is ajnabi. 18, 18 means 18. 18 means 18. Do you know the number up to 10 or 20? If you know, you can try to write in comment box. Other one also can learn. Then adbhut is remarkable. Although this is advanced level Hindi word, adbhut, remarkable. Then adhik, adhik. The synonym for this is bahut, bahut. Much, many, more. So you can say adhik or bahut. अधिक से अधिक, at the most. अधिक से अधिक, at the most. Then adhed, the person who is in middle age is called adhed. Middle aged person, adhed. Adhyapak, teacher. You know the synonym for this in Hindi? Unban, discord. Unban, discord. Anupasthit, anupasthit. See the pronunciation? Anupasthit, anupasthit, absent. So would you like to tell me the word for present? Then anubhav, anubhav is experience. Anubhav is experience. So what is your experience and how's your experience about India? इंडिया के बारे में आपका अनुभव क्या है? इंडिया के बारे में आपका अनुभव कैसा है? Then अनुवाद, translation. My all the Hindi students mostly know about this word anuvad, translation, because they do. अनौपचारिक रूप से, अनौपचारिक रूप से means informally, informally. Again this is advanced level Hindi word. So how you say formally then? Try it in the comment box. Then अपना, अपना means own. This is my own house. ये मेरा अपना घर है. अपना, own. When something belongs to you, you can change it to अपना, अपने, अपनी, according to the rules. Then अपने आप, oneself. Like I cook my food myself. मैं अपना खाना अपने आप बनाती हूँ. Then अभी, at the moment, right now means अभी, like at the moment I am busy. अभी मैं व्यस्त हूँ, अभी मैं busy हूँ. अफसोस, regret, मुझे अफसोस है. regret, अफसोस. अब, now, अब, now. Now this is the time to learn Hindi. अब हिंदी सीखने का टाइम है. This time, अब की बार. Also we can say इस बार. And most of the time we say इस बार, इस बार. अब की बार, इस बार. That is this time. Then American, we do not say American. People say American as well, but in a village or the person, very Hindi person will say American. American. Funny word. Then again same, America, a very Hindi person will say America. America. Then Amir is rich, wealthy. मैं अमीर हूँ. I'm rich. Would you like to tell me the opposite word for this? How to say poor in Hindi? Arey. It can be like oh and hey. Arey. Then arzi is application. People can say arji also. So this is the tongue just. Arzi or arji. Application. Then earth is meaning. Earth, meaning. Also the regular word is matlab. So if you want to know what does it mean, तो इसका अर्थ क्या है और इसका मतलब क्या है. इसका अर्थ क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है. अलग is separate. अलग, separate. अलमारी is cupboard. Almari, cupboard. Any kind of closet is also called almari. Then khali samay means like free time, leisure. Khali samay. So आपके पास खाली समय है? Do you have some leisure time? अवश्य, जरूर. अवश्य और जरूर. Or sometimes we say बिल्कुल also. That means certainly. Oh, अवश्य, जरूर. Then असंभव is impossible. Asambhav. Tell me in the comment box what is possible then. Possible. Asar is effect. Asar is effect. Then asal mein or sach mein is like in reality. Asal mein, sach mein, in reality. Then real, asli. असली. Real means असली. ये सोना असली है. This gold is real. Then अस्पताल is hospital. Also we have other very Hindi word, advanced level word. This is your work to search that and tell me what is very Hindi word for hospital. That is अस्पताल also in Hindi. Then आवश्यक or we can say jaruri. That means important. आवश्यक or jaruri. Also, we have one word that is khas, like special, important, khas. So, आवश्यक, jaruri, or khas. We can say important. Then, ant, or we can say akhir. Ant ya akhir, that means end. End. And this was the end of the video. ये वीडियो का आखिर था, ये वीडियो का अंत था. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. I'll come again with the next vowel, that is E. We will see what are the Hindi words that start with E. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जल्दी मिलेंगे.